take a look at the receipts of the POS which we have here. That's the receipt information. Of course, the receipt information. I pay, of course, $1.13, and then it yield for me this much profit there. And then vis-a-vis, and we also check this one here, and then we got it completed. The feedbacks there. Of course, if I click, you can see there you have already left the feedback for this purchased. So the feedback is already complete. And then if we drag down here, of course, that's the purchase we have, right? So initially, this is the amount, and then our tax is 13%. That's GST and PST inclusive, QST as well. And then this is our address there, and then of course the check is there, my name, and then today's date, and then there is the check there, and then this is the GST QST number, and then the PST QRST or QST number for Quebec. And then run your own business as they say. Start using Gadget Square and process 1007 for free. You can see there, this is a different process we have. Of course, initially I went and generate, of course, that much there, 1000. Of course, you can see just $1. I pay $1 using addition Bank of Division, RBC Bank. I withdraw from the money from my debit card, and then you can see there, this is the Interact debit chips, of course, occur there, of course, the debit chips, and then that's my name there, and then the authorization code, of course, you know. So the AD code is there, of course, verification pin is also there, the purchase, and then the HST and GST also analytical there. You can see that is of course I pay how much? I pay $1, then the dollar generated 1,129,999.99 okay, that is the one click of the sale that our POS really do for me. Of course, this is the POS. Of course, you see there. Of course, we use the water. We use here. This is the gold, 24 kilograms gold, HP PC, and then we have hydro bills. Price of the hydro bill per month is $19. Juice pack 24 packs, of course, roughly $4. KFC roughly this much, and then that is KFC here. Let's see, the KFC is a one product there. If we tap there, that is one product. Of course, we say it here now. We go here. We go confirmed and paid. Yeah, we go confirmed and paid, and then now confirmed and paid is addition. We get the card. We put the chips, and then the chips is confirmed and then paid. So we slice the card alongside here, this line here, we slice the card, or we put the chips on the button here, and then the whole thing is activated. So this is what we can do. But just that is just an example. So already we did that, and then we show you the receipt. The receipt information I show you there. That is how we do it, and then we paid for those ones. You can see here now. This is this one. You pay by cards, and then you swipe or you insert. You pay by cards. Okay. Tap, insert, or swipe the card. So if that's the one, or you cut on file, or you invoice it or more, and then do gift card manually, do credit card manually, and then manually means you have to type them in or to confirm their use card, cash, that is cash. For the cash, and then we put there $1, put $1.50. Then we proceed, we say tender, then we go with the tender, and then here now I go this one, I go send email, or text or text it to my phone, okay? And then let's say text it to my phone, okay? And then my phone, I will put 226-773-9006, right? So that's my phone, and then let's send it. See, now you send, then we pay by cash, right? So this is how it's done. So $1.50. So the receipt is already sent, and then we have the receipt, and then we go here, we confirm a new purchased, okay? So here now we go again down here, then you will find a lot of lists we have here. We listed product, and then all the invoice is there ready, and then which one we have, I don't know, and then depend from we want this one, we want tablet, we want this one, we want online orders, right? So that is what we go for, and we get it. So otherwise that is me actually when Hassan does is it on with this scratch on the square systems, of course, you know. Here this is they can read, of course, this one, gift card, they can read MasterCard, Visa, and then they can work with the debit card, cards, and then you use your cash drawers like this one, you pull the money, and then you pay by cash, right? The customer paid, and then you tender them out. That is the least, or by check, or any other alternatives. That's why there are different kind of alternatives there. Of course, overview there, that's the CB.